No more gatekeeping. This is how I built a wholesale website within my Shopify store for free. Usually on your Shopify store, you can only sell to retail customers. Now, if you wanted to have a wholesale store within your Shopify store, you need to have an app, and all of them have monthly subscription. Mind you, I did try these paid apps. However, it didn't do what I wanted it to do, and each app had its pros and cons. Believe it or not, my best hack is actually from a free blog, which teaches you how to actually add a wholesale area to your Shopify store without an app. It's the first link over here. This guy actually teaches you step by step how to add all this coding into your Shopify store so you can add a wholesale website. This is my wholesale store, which looks very different to my retail store. I have different products on my wholesale store compared to my retail store. I have different tiers so that if they add more products in, they get a bigger discount. They also get a different shipping rate. And the best part is I've set up an automation through Zapier. So a new wholesale account is opened every time a new person is added to the list. That means I don't need to manually enter in all their details to open up a wholesale account for them. It's all done automatically, literally in 1 second. Follow for part 2 of how I actually implement this.